Hey Matt, how you doing, buddy? It was nice talking to you today. Again, this is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. This is a video I wanted to shoot over to you real quick, kind of show you some tips and tricks, things you can do in-house to bring in more business using your Google business profile. And then also if you had a website, I'd love to hear some feedback from you, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, what I've done is I checked out your Google business profile. It's not bad at all. This is should be your 750 character about us section. You're going to need to add some keywords and things in there that's going to help boost your rating and your rank and get you more up towards the top. Fence company, Louisville, Kentucky. That's a keyword. That is the service and the location. And I'll go over more of that with you here in just a minute, but I just wanted to kind of pull this up and show you that real quick. All the people you work with, you got really good reviews from the two people that left reviews. You could have a business card. Usually for my clients, after they come on board, I will actually buy business cards for them and have a special QR code on there. That way you can hand it out to the people you do work for, and they can just scan it with their phone and then come right here and leave you reviews, because content is king and reviews are king. So definitely having more reviews on here will help you boost your ranking and get closer to that first page. Now what I've done is I just took your number one competitor, which is Metro, and I just put them into my Ahrefs tool. It's a Google Analytic tool. So what I'm going to do is just break down their website and show you some things that they are doing well, and then areas that they can improve on. That way, if you get a website, then these are things that we can implement on your website, or you can implement on it. Now, I like how they've got, their social media up here that you can just click on and go to, but they're definitely missing out on their call to action. They need a phone number up here where people can click to call. Over half people that's searching for businesses or services are on their cell phone. So if they have a click to call button up here, they can click it and call right through. Now, sometimes people, especially this day and age, they're kind of shy or timid, don't want to talk on the phone much. So having a email button or a submit form. So having multiple ways to contact you for services is a main objective for the top of this page. Now, looking down through here, this website is not too bad. It's just not a lot here. One of my biggest suggestions would be that they need to add more content. Google loves content, so they need about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on their homepage. And throughout that content, they need to add those buyer intent keywords that I was telling you about, where they're located, what services they offer. Now, another good thing to do is when you're saving photos or videos, save those as keywords, because they count as content as well. So they have that saved as Martin 4 edited web. That could be fence repair Louisville, Kentucky, or fence Louisville, Kentucky, things like that. They just kind of miss opportunities there with all their photos. Now here is my Google Analytic tool, and it just kind of shows me the ranking and the standings that they have with Google. This is their UR and DR. This is the strength and the trust that their website has. They have 430 backlinks and 55 referring domains. Now, a backlink is simply a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Now, there's authoritative backlinks and there's spammy backlinks. So you definitely want to stay away from the spammy backlinks and stick with the authoritative backlinks that's relevant to your industry and that's local to you. They have 255 keywords, and that's bringing them 322 people to their website each month, which is not bad. If they convert a quarter of those clients, that's over 75 jobs a month that they're getting. And this is why they're in the number one position, is because of their keywords. Again, a keyword is simply the service and the location. So fence company, Louisville, Kentucky, they're getting 350 searches a month with that. Fence companies, fence company, and fence companies, two completely different keyword phrases. So just these two right here, they're getting almost 1,000 searches a month. So what we would do is build your website. Throughout that website, we would have 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage, and we'd have these words embedded in it. Now with this Google Analytic tool that I use, I can break down all the details of your number one competitors, see what all they're doing to their website, and then we can implement that on the website for you. Now, the way I found you was the buyer intent keyword Louisville Fence Companies. And of course, you know, here is the map pack. The top 3 is definitely where you want to be here. And you're not here right now, and that's okay. There's several ways to get here. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews like we talked about earlier. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are all the same exact across all platforms on the internet. You definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section that I just showed you. That is what you need to make sure that you fill out and add those keywords to it. Also, by posting branded, geotagged, geolocated photos weekly, really helps you rank organically. And by adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, in directories like Yext, Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages, things like that, because Google honestly is like a big popularity contest. So the more information that you get out there to as many directories as possible, it will make Google start to trust you more, and it'll help boost your business, not only in your area, but that'll also trickle out to the surrounding areas as well. Being in the Google Map Pack gives you about 30 to 40% of your traffic that goes to your website and then gives you a call from there. Now, next down here is organic, and that's where I found Metro Fence. And again, you know, you've seen that they definitely didn't have a lot of content, so getting a website created and implementing these changes will definitely help you outrank them while adding those backlinks as well. Now, a couple of keywords that you can put into your About Us on that Google Maps. You've got Fence Company, Louisville, Kentucky, and that's going to be a keyword difficulty of 10 and a volume of 350. Fencing, Louisville, Kentucky, Louisville Fence Company, Fencing Company, Louisville, Kentucky, Louisville Fence Companies. Like, these are all words that you need to fit strategically inside your About Us section, since right now all you have is that Google business profile, and this will help that start ranking more and more and more. I really appreciate you taking the call today, and if you've got any questions or if there's anything you want to ask me, feel free to reach out by cell phone, text, call, email, whatever you need to do. I'm here to help you out. Again, my name is Leo Arona. Hope you have a great day, and I'd love to have some feedback on this video.